Ugaruruku uyu wa watho wa ithurano uhitukitio ni abunge na maseneta a Jubilee thutha wa aria a NASA kugomera ndereti ya watho uyu.
Honorable Senators, these are the results. The ayes are 25, noes 0, abstentions 0. The ayes have it.
A bill for an act of parliament to amend the election-related laws and for connected purposes.
Wona mutongoria wa bururi ekira ugaruruku uyu kirore ta uria eranire hindi ya icera ria keresha ikuhe gicwaini ni gugakorwo na ugaruruku munene hari uria akenya magaikia kura githurano-ini gia tariki 26 hamwe na ugaruruku uria ugukorwo ho uria ukite thiku imwe thutha wa mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga kuyeheria kihitahitano-ini gia tariki 26 ni ati mutongoria wa bururi agiriire ni gutangathwo muhotani hatari githurano angikorwo uria marahuranira nake ni yeheretie kura ciagirirwo ni gutarwo na moko hamwe na gutumwo na mitambo ya kiriu. Muikariri giti wa IEBC eguthie na mbere gukorwo wakiri ona gutuika wira wa muikariri giti no urutwo ni munini wake kana kamishino wothe angikorwo atariho na afitha wa IEBC ekuohwo miaka 5 anginyitikana na mahitia ma githurano. Ona gutuika ndereti ya ugaruruku uyu ni iragomeirwo ni abunge na seneta a NASA, abunge na seneta Jubilee aria maracangĩire ndereti ino ni moigite ugaruruku ucio ni wa bata muno hari uria ithurano ciri tabanagio bururi-ini.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to lay the following report on the table of the House today, 12th October 2017. Report of the Ad Hoc Committee on Election Laws Amendment Bill on its consideration of the Election Law Amendments Bill, National Assembly Bill number 39 of 2017.
They are very good proposals. You have been able to get all the good ideas from members of parliament.
Abunge na seneta a mung'ethaniro makoretwo makiendekithia kweherio kwa mawatho maya makiuga ni makahuthika kuiya githurano gia tariki 26 ritana riria riageirwo kiene ni mwena wa Jubilee utongoretio ni President Uhuru Kenyatta. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.